Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to talk about what you should go for, IELTS or PTE. Well, it's a personal approach, to be honest, that what you want to go for. If you're preparing for IELTS now, then just go for IELTS. And if you're preparing for PTE, then just go for PTE. Both are like language tests, and both are, in both, we have the four modules: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Of course, their approach is a little bit different, and for that reason, most of the people think that PTE is easier. And yes, it is a little bit easier than the IELTS. We don't have those much long passages in PTE as we have in the reading section of the IELTS. And then listening is also a little bit easier. In speaking, we don't have to have a face to face interaction and answering the questions, and not a human being judging us. So these are the benefits that we have for PTE. But the drawback or the cons that I consider of PTE are that it's all computer based, in a way that sometimes in retail lecture or in retail sentences or describing image, your microphone is catching your voice, and sometimes microphone doesn't catch your voice in a good way, and you are pronouncing one word. Of course, your accent is not that much good, so you're pronouncing one word and it is taken wrong by the microphone. So this is the problem that I felt a lot in PTE. And then that is also about IELTS, that there is a chance of luck also. Sometimes you get so easier pictures to describe, sometimes they are difficult, sometimes crops are easier to describe, sometimes they are difficult. So PTE is much about the luck also. With the practice, it has something to do with the luck also. Whether in IELTS, the luck doesn't have that much approach as it has in PTE, because if you are getting like 7.5 bands in your practice, you're surely to get 7 bands in your real test. So yeah. And what are the benefits of IELTS? I think that you get more approach, more realistic approach, and then the listening section is easier here. And most important thing about IELTS is you get a lot of material on that. You have the books of IELTS, you have the past papers of IELTS, you have a lot of mock test available. There are multiple websites where you can practice the whole mock test free of cost and no charges of that. So you can practice. There is a plenty of material available for practice, even if you don't want to go to any academy or stuff like that. But for PTE, we don't have that much material. And one of my friends was doing PTE, and I was practicing, like helping him out. So he was struggling in that sense, that material wasn't available. He has to buy the mock test and purchase those websites for the mock test, and this was difficult for him, of course. So I would say that for the material available, I will surely say to you guys that you should go for IELTS. But if you want like spend more and more time in practice, then you should go for PTE. And if you are practicing any of these, just go for that, man, and you will be able to nail it, inshallah. So yeah, best of luck, and inshallah in the next video we will discuss each of the module of IELTS in detail. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.